Yo, what's up there guys? Welcome back to today's video and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at my portfolio this week. And we're also gonna take a look at all the stock I bought during this week. So I bought a lot of stock. There was a little dip on Monday or Tuesday, I think. And just before starting with this video, guys, I want to say thank you for all the people that liked my last video on last week. I had 17 likes. I really appreciate that. So starting with my balance, guys, right now I have available to trade $2,258, and this week I'm gonna take a look at what I'm gonna add. I think it's gonna be between $500 and maybe $1,000. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to decide on Monday. So right now, guys, the total portfolio is sitting at 45,842 cents. So for the last day, we're up $125. For the week, we're down a bit, guys. We're down $136. For the month, we're still up 1%, which is $552. For the last 3 months, we're still up 8%, which is $3,286. For the year, we're up 20%, so up 7.7 thousand, and all time we're up 20%, so up $7,542. So guys, now let's take a look at what I bought during this week. So on Monday, I bought 5 shares of XEY, which is I Dividend ETF. So 5 shares at $22.49. And the next morning, on Tuesday, I bought my first 5 shares of CNR. It's a new holding in my portfolio. So for those who don't know, CNR is Canadian National Railway. It's a railway company located in Canada, and the reason why they dropped this week is because they outbid Canadian Pacific for the purchase of Kansas City Railway. So I bought 5 shares at $137. The same day, I bought 1 share of Bank of Nova Scotia at $77.03. After that, I bought 1 share of TD Bank at $81.83. Then I bought Manulife Financial 1 share at $26.64. And after that, I bought 3 shares of TELUS Communication, so at $25.67. And still on the same day, I bought another share of Canadian National Railway. It went down a little bit, so I bought 1 share at $136.98. And for my last purchase of the day, I bought another share of Manulife Financial Corporation at $26.48. So on Wednesday, I bought another 2 shares of TELUS. So right now I'm sitting at 100 shares, with there's 2 more. After that, I bought Canadian National Railway again, 1 share at $138.70. 1 share of Alimentation Couche-Tard at $41.73. Another share of Canadian National Railway at $137.68. 5 share of Algonquin Power. That was on Thursday at $20.41, or I think that was on Friday. Yeah, Friday. And after that, I bought another 5 share of Algonquin on Friday at $20.30. And then I ended my week with 2 more purchases of CNR, 1 share at $136.30 and another share at $135.48. So guys, let's start with my portfolio update. So Algonquin Power was up 0.40% this week. I now have 145 shares for a total value of $2,926. All time, I'm down only 0.33%, guys, and keep in mind, on the Wealthsimple Trade, the all-time performance doesn't track the dividend. My average cost is at $20.25, and this is 6.71% of my current portfolio. Alimentation Couche-Tard, I bought 1 share this week. It's up 0.48%. I now have 36 shares. The current goal is to hit 40 shares. My total value is at $1,499. I'm up 10% on this position for a gain of $138. My average cost is at $37.80, and this is currently 3.44% of my portfolio. Brookfield Asset Management, for the week, it's down 2.20%. I still own 26 shares for a total value of $1,400. All time, I'm up 27.32%. for a gain of $315. My average cost is at $44.44, and this is 3.38% of my portfolio. Bell Canada, down 0.02%, so flat this week. I own 37 shares for a value of $2,150. I'm up 5.26% for a gain of $107. My average cost is sitting at $55.23, and this is 4.93% of my portfolio. Next one, Bank of Nova Scotia. So as you watch in the start of the video, I bought one share this week. It's up 0.52%. I now have 47 shares. Current goal is to hit 50 shares of Bank of Nova Scotia. Total value is at $3,666. All time, I'm up 35.28% of this position for a gain of $956. My current average cost is at $57.66, and this is 8.41% of my portfolio. Next stock, CNR. I started this position this week. So for the week, it's down 8.64%. That's why I started this position. I was waiting for a dip, and it came on Tuesday. So I now have 10 shares for a total value of $1,358, and they're gonna have their earning on the Monday after market. So if they drop Tuesday, I'm gonna scoop another few shares, between 5 to 10 shares. I'm down 1.13%, so down almost $16. My average cost is at $137.41, and this is now 3.12% of my portfolio. Canadian Utilities, up 0.17% this week. So still at 35 shares for a total value of $1,208. My all-time performance is at up 8.16% for a gain of $91 plus the dividend. My average cost is at $31.93, and this is 2.77% of my portfolio. Ford, my only non-dividend stock. So for the week, it's flat at 0%. I own 12 shares. All time, I'm up 90.15%, and this is only 0.43% of my portfolio. For this, so for the week, it's up 0.54%. I own 62 shares for a total value of $3,432. All time, I'm up 5.88% for a gain of $190. My average cost is at $52.30, and this is currently 7.88% of my portfolio. Intact Financial Corporation, guys, for the week, it's down 0.16%. I do own 9 shares for a total value of $1,471. All time, I'm up 17.99% on this position, so up $224. My average cost is at $138.58, and this is 3.38% of my portfolio. Manulife, I bought 2 shares this week. It's down 1.41%. I now have 57 shares. Current goal is to hit 60 shares. My total value is at $1,516. All time, I'm up 27.33%, so up $325. My average cost is at $20.89, and this is 3.48% of my portfolio. Northland Power, for the week, it's up 1.19%. It's trading pretty flat since like 2 or 3 weeks. I still have 45 shares for a total value of almost $2,000. I'm gonna try to scoop a few shares to hit 50 shares if the price goes down a bit. So I'm up 8.69% for a gain of $158. My average cost is at $40.59. This is 4.56% of my portfolio, guys, and keep in mind that's a monthly paying dividend stock. Nutrien, big dip this week, so it's down 3.41%. I have 12 shares for a total value of $805. All time, it's up 48.16% for a gain of $261. My average cost is at $45.21, and this is 1.85% of my portfolio. Northwest Company, up 1.88% this week. I own 10 shares for a total value of 363 shares. All time, I'm up 20%. So 20%, I think I bought this stock 1 month ago. So 20% up in 1 month, pretty good. So up $60. My average cost is at $30.29, and this is 0.83% of my portfolio. Pembina Pipeline, my only energy stock. So for the week, it's down 0.40%. It's a monthly paying dividend stock. The current dividend yield is around 7%. I own 62 shares for a total value of $2,288. All time I'm up 18.44%, so up $356. My average cost is at $31.16, and this is 5.25% of my portfolio. Ryokan, my only rig. So for the week, it's up 1.53%, so a good week for Ryokan. I own 140 shares for a total value of $2,872. All time, I'm up 35.46%, so up $751. My average cost is at $15.15, and this is 6.59% of my portfolio. Sun Life Financial, up 1.50%, so it's a good week too for Sun Life. I own 60 shares. I'm trying to buy more, but right now I feel like the price is a bit too high. My total value is at $1,060. My performance is up 25.72%, so $260 in gain. My average cost is at $152.71, and this is 2.43% of my portfolio. Tellus for the week, it's down 0.96%, guys, so I'm pretty proud of what I did right there. I'm just hit 100 shares of Tellus, so my total value is at $2,579. All time I'm up 4.62%, so $113 in gain. My average cost is at $24.65, and this is 5.92% of my portfolio. And next one, my biggest holding, TD Bank. I bought one share this week, so for the week it's up 1.62%. Right now it's near all-time high. So I currently sitting at 58 shares for a total value of $4,884. I'm up almost 35% on this position for a gain of $1,261. And I think they're gonna pay their dividend this week or next week, so I'm pretty happy about that. They're gonna pay me around 42 or 43 bucks. Looking forward to that. My average cost is at 62.46, and this is 11.21% of my portfolio. VCN, that's an ETF that tracks the Canadian market. So for the week, it's down 1.18%. I own 10 shares for a value of $385. All time, I'm up near 15%, so up almost $50. My average cost is at $33.59, and this is 0.88% of my portfolio. VDY, it's another ETF. It's a high dividend yield index ETF tracking the Canadian high dividend market. So for the week, it's down 0.26%. I do own 100 shares for a value of $3,790. All time, I'm up 28%, so up $843. My average cost is at $29.47, and this is 8.70% of my portfolio. And my last stock, XIY, it's another high dividend yield index ETF, but this time it's from iShare. For the week, it's down 0.71%. I do own now 75 shares. I bought 5 shares at the start of the week, I think. My total value is at $1,683. All time, I'm up 10.21%, so up $155. My average cost is at $20.36, and this is currently 3.86% of my portfolio. So guys, that's a wrap up for today's video. I want to say thank you for everybody who watched, so don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned what my next update, and also like this video. It's gonna help me a lot, and I hope to see you back next week. Peace out.